First at 6 o'clock, a Travis County poll watcher arrested, but it's her accusations that raise questions about transparency and accountability in our local elections.
Those same concerns exist at the national level. President Trump's campaign filed a lawsuit asking to halt vote counting in Michigan. It claims his campaign was denied access to observe the opening of ballots. It's also suing to stop counting in Pennsylvania for what it claims is a lack of transparency.
On Monday, we told you about the Secretary of State asking the Attorney General for a criminal investigation into the Travis County's clerk's office handling of election watchers in July. KXAN investigator Jody Barr is live with an update on continuing complaints. Jody.
Well, Robert and Sydney, some poll watchers claim the Travis County clerk's office is locking them out, preventing them from watching the poll workers here counting ballots. State law allows these watchers to see and hear the clerk's office handling and counting these ballots. And that's exactly what Jennifer Fleck says she was trying to do when she was arrested here Monday. Fleck is an Austin attorney now charged with criminal trespassing after she says she called 911 to report election code violations inside the Travis County Clerk's office. Fleck was serving as a watcher here at the central counting station when she says she called 911, and it turns out, though, she left here in handcuffs.
I was personally appointed by the Travis County Republican Party.
So you were there on official business?
Yes.
Jennifer Fleck was right where she says the Travis County clerk told her to be, held inside this media room on the other side of a set of windows from the ballot counting station. Fleck says there was one major problem. The poll watchers could not see information on the computer screens or hear anything on the other side of that glass.
My intent was to get it recorded, to take pictures of what was happening, and to make this situation public.
Fleck snapped these 3 pictures and sent them to us. The pictures show, she argues, the clerk's office obstructing poll watchers from doing their job.
We had no audio at all. We could not hear what was going on. They were running ballots, they were signing reports. When we would tap on the window so that we could ask a question or so that we could see a report, which is allowed under the statute, they would ignore us.
Fleck then called 911 asking for a deputy to file a police report. When the deputy arrived, the clerk's office found out Fleck had taken pictures and told her to leave.
The other poll watchers were objecting to one poll watcher's behavior, and so they handled that part of it.
I refused to leave, then they decided to bring charges for criminal trespass.
Fleck admits she violated the poll watcher agreement that prohibits any recordings, and she's ready to face the consequences.
What made you decide to take that step to record this?
To be honest, I'm really frustrated with the fact that there is no recourse for illegal activity, and our votes in Travis County are not being protected. Really, my motive was to make her do what was right. That didn't turn out.
Travis County's clerk declined our request for an interview about the arrest, but during her post-election press conference, she said,
Poll watchers are always welcome because they do a good job of sending the word out to everybody else that the procedures here and election law are being followed.
Fleck says her recording will prove her allegations, but her camera is still held by the Travis County Sheriff's Office.
If they have nothing to hide, then let us in. Let us do our job. Let us do what we're supposed to do under the code. They say that they want to be transparent, but nothing about that process was transparent.
Fleck's charge is a Class B misdemeanor. She's free tonight on a $1,000 bond. She has a court date set for later this month. From the Travis County Clerk's Office, Jody Barr, KXAN Investigates.